Hi guys, I'm Lily again, and I'm going to show you how to make a bubble with slime. So, let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to flatten your slime out. Just flatten it out so it's like a pancake. Then you're just going to spread it out. It might be a little hard to spread it out. You might need someone else to help you, but it's kind of easy. And then once you keep on spreading it out, it should be forming a bubble. Like it's getting higher and higher and higher. Okay? Once it'll pop at a certain point. Okay. So now I'm going to show you with my other slime. So you just want to out. Oops. If there's a hole, just put it back together. And then re-stretch it out. And then, alright, so, yeah, that's basically pretty much how we make a bubble. So you just stretch it out. You see how it's like that? And there it is right there. And I'll show you in a minute.